Yan. Okay. So next concern is outdated valuations results in costs for gone revenues. So pag nagkaroon of overvaluation, katulad nga, we are now seeing mga trains, roads, highways, mga roads na dumadaan sa mga cities, mga bagong constructions ng DPWH, bridges, yan. So baka mamaya yung right of way, sometimes kasi yung dinadaanan ng road is a new road. So may tinatamaan ng mga properties owned by private individuals. So if that's the case, then the government buys the property from those individuals. So pag binayaran yung property na yon, the government pays for it. So kapag walang clear valuation, sometimes naluluging government because siyempre the government or actually any buyer would want to buy low. Pero yung seller wants to sell high. So minsan medyo langit at lupa yung difference, ano. Yung isa the government is willing to pay, for example, 5 million. Pero yung seller does not want to sell. Sabi niya, ay hindi, bili mo to ng 25 million. So, paano tayo magkikita? Isang 25 million, isang 5 million. So, no one wants to give in. So, ano yung magiging value na dapat? So, the government needs to get an appraiser, an outside appraiser or a government appraiser. Then the seller or the individual would have to get a private appraiser